On number 33, the circle graph compares the number of videos of each type. What percent of the movies rented were comedy movies? Use the circle graph to answer the question. Make sure whenever you do this, you don't just take the number as the percentage. That's not what you're supposed to do. This is the number of movies, okay? What you have to remember is that a circle graph represents 100%, the whole, right? So 30 out of the total, which would be 30 plus 90 plus 20 plus 60. So you have 30 out of 120, 140, 200, which is going to get you 0.15, which then will get you, when you move that decimal 2 times, your 15%. Number 34 says figure our triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Find BC. So BC is over here. I want to find that value. Similar figures are proportional. So I can say 5 over this missing side length is equal to 5 corresponds AB to PQ, which is 8, over, and then the missing side corresponds to BC to QR, which is 6. And now all I have to do is take the cross product. So I have 5 times 6 equals 8 times x, 30 equals 8x, divide by 8 on both sides. So I have that x is equal to 3.75 inches. On number 5, this one has been on our last test and our the corrections that we just did. So on this, we're just trying to get this j by itself. So we're going to move everything away from j. To do that, I'm going to add my 5/5 to both sides. So those will cancel out. I have j over 40 equals 8/5. 3 plus 5 is 8. The denominator doesn't change. J is being divided by 40, so I'm going to multiply by 40 on both sides. So j is equal to, 5 goes into 5 once and into 40 8 times. J is equal to 64. Okay, on 36, if we want to determine whether it represents a function, we use the vertical line test. That is that I can drop a vertical line at any point. That's not a vertical line. A vertical line at any point on the graph, and it should only hit the function one time. So, or it should only hit a function one time. So if I dropped it right here, it would only hit one time there at 0. But here, notice it hits once, twice, once, twice. This is not a function.